Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be pretty short. I'm just going to be going over the mods and visual changes, cosmetic changes that I've done to the bike. Nothing too crazy. Just showing you guys what I've done. I'm going to put some links in the description, so if you guys want to get that stuff, you know, I'm not getting paid by anybody, so I just want to show you guys what I have on the bike, where I got it, and see what you guys think about it. All right, guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and start in the front. I'm gonna make this nice and quick. Just go over everything for you guys so you can see. This is an Otilli wind deflector. I like it. I think it works good. It's not the best, you know, wind deflector. You obviously have some that come up here are gonna give you more wind deflection away from your chest being on a naked bike. But I think this one works good enough for if you just want a little bit of styling, still be able to see over everything and not have anything blocking your area right here. This is the one you should go for. I love it. I think it works good enough for what I use it for. Let's move over to my grips. These are Surpassme Grips. I think they're awesome. They work really good. They feel good. The grip is amazing. I haven't tried them being wet yet. Haven't really ridden this bike in the rain. I've ridden it in a little drizzle, a little bit of water on the street. That's about it. Nothing crazy. So I'm definitely willing to try that out and let you guys know how these feel when they're wet. Okay, let's go ahead and fold down here. So these are, there we go, zoomed in. TST's Halo turn signals. So here, I can actually show you guys. So when I put the key in, get my electronics on, there, boom. So if I cover that, so the light's blue, right? Until you have to turn, and then boom. So yeah, so I like them. I think they look good. Yeah, the blue doesn't match the Yamaha blue, but it's a blue, you know what I mean? It is what it is, whatever. You could always get a white light if you wanted to just be neutral about the lights, but I just wanted to get the blue one and just stick with that. But all right, so let's move down to the frame sliders. So I got some MZS frame sliders on both sides. So the frame sliders on the back. I do have one frame slider on the front. Others. I don't have the one on this side. I had some issues with the bolt that came with the frame slider and I wasn't able to put that one on. So I just left it off. I will put one on eventually, just not at the moment. So I don't have any frame sliders on the front yet. I will get some. But I guess we can talk about the biggest thing that most people love on their bikes when they get it, right? This exhaust. Let's talk about that. So that is a Dominator GP3 full exhaust system. It was like, I don't know, maybe 450 bucks. Pretty good bang for your buck. I think this exhaust is awesome. I think the quality of it is super good. So as you can see, let me move the camera this way. Fitment looks good. Discoloration is not too crazy. I expect it to be discoloring, obviously. I was thinking about ceramic coating it. Not sure yet, we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna put a clip right now. If you don't know what the bike sounds like, this is what it sounds like. Obviously, as you see in the clip, the bike's loud. So I think that's necessary on a street bike, man. Not just for it to look cool, but also for people to be able to hear you when they're riding by you, right? So I think that's extremely important. So besides that, let's see, frame sliders, grips. Oh, damn, I can't believe I missed the mirrors. Okay, so these are Fenrir bar end mirrors. There we go. I literally keep saying rear view mirrors. It's not a car. Bar end mirrors. I think these things are amazing. I love them. They're wide enough. Full aluminum frame system on here. I was able to utilize my stock bar end because I picked these ones. I didn't know that was going to be able to work out, but it just happened to work out to where I was able to get my stock bar ends back on the bike. So yeah, I think the bike looks good like that. I like it. Now we'll go to probably my two favorite mods on this bike. The license plate relocation kit and the TST Fender Delete Kit as well. So obviously got it from TST. So it came in a kit as the plate system, the license plate relocator, and I had to order the license plate light. And then I had to rewire the lights, turn signals to shove everything like this way. Wasn't too difficult if you know like basic electronics or basic wiring and soldering and stuff like that. It's not too difficult. So yeah, they don't have a integrated tail light for this bike yet, unfortunately. So that's why I just put the turn signals on the plate. I couldn't find a bracket that looked good, was in a good position that I wanted the turn signals to where they weren't kind of like drooping down over the bike or whatever. So I put them on the license plate, borrowed out the holes a little bit more, put the lights on there, got them set in place, adjusted them to the point where everything on this side of the bike lights up when I'm turning, and you can see the light illuminated on the ground. But yeah, so that's my bike. This is it, guys. So appreciate you guys stopping by for another video. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I answer everybody's questions, so just ask me whatever you want. Installation time, fitment, stuff like that. No big deal. Just shoot me a comment and I'll let you know what's going on. But yeah, please, like, subscribe, and yeah, I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch another one of my videos. From 4 subscribers all the way up to 80. You guys are awesome. I think that's absolutely insane that the support that I've received from all you guys, and just even people that don't subscribe, just taking the time to watch the videos, I think is awesome. So appreciate all you guys, and yeah, please stop by for another video, and appreciate you guys. Peace.